All right, so I'm going to review this no-name XXV heavy-duty utility knife. It's an out-the-front knife, or OTF, and it uses standard box cutter blades. Comes in this basic package, some instructions. Really in, I believe that's Japanese or Korean. Say where it's made. Doesn't say where it's made as usual. It's interesting. Anyway, and then here, this is like skateboard tape, really the grip tape. This comes out, maybe. Reveals the extra blades. And it comes with, I believe it said it comes with 10 blades. I'm not sure if there's 10 in here. Yeah, there are. See here, how many blades? 10 pieces. I'm sure that's 10. Let's see. Two, three, four, five. So it's got 5 blades plus the one that's in here. That's 6 blades plus the device is 7 plus this 10, that's 8. I'm not sure what they're counting 10, but it did only come with the 5 blades. This is a nice little spring-loaded case. Put it back in there. All right. This is not reversible, so this is going to be tipped down in essence. And wow, that's really tight. I'm not sure. Try getting out of my pants. Huh. Wow, that's really tight. It does go on Levi's fairly easily. And to actuate it, you just push this forward like that. And to retract it, you just pull it back. I would imagine you need to check your own local area to make sure it's legal. It's essentially a spring-driven device, like essentially a switchblade. Most states nowadays, these are legal. A few there aren't. Anyway, to replace the blade from the instructions, you just push this out like this. Slide it out. This little notch catches one of these guys here. Just put it back in, same thing. Lined up. Out of the way. There you go. Be careful not to put your finger out here so you don't slice it. This is kind of true for any of these out the front blades. This one doesn't really have a good stop on it. So just pull back here. Kind of wish there was grip tape here. Actually, I may add some, so I have a better purchase on that. I mean, you could be right here. You should be fine. But I'd trust it for here, especially if you're deploying it quickly. As far as cutting, this is fairly thin paper. See how it works? Oh, not too well. Well, it does. They go in here, cutting the edge. This is pretty soft, but it does cut just fine. I mean, it's just a blade. I think this will work well. Probably start carrying it. It's got a little lanyard hold as well. Just come in a bunch of colors. This is the green one, blue, black, red, and donut, which is pink with flakes. Paid $26 for the green one. The blue one's actually $30 on Amazon. And they vary in price depending on the age, either 1 or 2 day delivery, depending on where you're at. Well, that's all I have for you today. As always, like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And we'll catch you on the other side.
Thanks for watching Frugal User. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next one. See you soon.